Hi everyone, it's One Shot with Daphne Wren Vintage. Are you ready to see my next set of treasure finds? Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to Daphne Wren Vintage. Today I am going to explore silverware or flatware, depending on, if it has silver in it or not. And I'm panning here through 3 items that I had purchased at the thrift store. This box was $14.75, and I went on a 50% day off sale of everything. So I immediately saw these and picked them up. This one was $29.75, and it also came in a wooden box. And then I found this for $39, and it just is wrapped in plastic. Kind of get a little bit of a peek of what's in here. So we'll be doing an unboxing or unplasticking of this set to see what we can find. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the $14.75 box, and it's a nice medium size box. Got some latches here. So let's open it and see what we have. And I did get an opportunity to open this in the store, so I knew what I was getting before I bought it. And then you open it and it's like, wow. Check out this beautiful green velvet lined box with forks and spoons. And this one fell off here, but belongs up here. And well, let me show you this one. This was the most interesting piece. I had no clue what it is intended for. So kind of had to call on a couple friends and find out. And it turns out it's for butter. So this is how you fancy people scoop up their butter, I suppose. So it belongs up here. So let me slide that up there. But yeah, so there's a knife. Looks like a dessert knife, and also like a cake or a pie server. Let me pull up one of the forks here. Three-tined fork. And then look at the handle. How beautiful is that? So it's got this bamboo-like quality or design to the handle. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 forks, and accompanying with 8 spoons in the serving set. Once again, got it for $14.75, 50% off, so about $7.50. I think it was a great purchase. I did do some research, and it turns out this is from the 1960-ish, and it's Asian, most likely Thai, and brass, 100% brass. So a pretty good find for about under $8, I'd say so. Moving on to the next box. This was $29.75, so let's just say 50% off, but $15. So let's open this up. Where's the opening? It has no, oh, here's some hinges back here. But no latches, so I'm just gonna pop it open here. And here we go. Whoa! How bright and shiny is this thing? Wow. I'm impressed. I hope you are too. Okay, so these are obviously knives, butter knives, and there's a marking on it. The other one did not have any marking, so it was a little difficult to find. I think that's focusing, and it's Towle. So towel or tool, silversmith. Great start. Great start. Nice burgundy velvet here. And then we have our dinner fork. Look at that gold. It's just gorgeous. Towel silversmith ep.korea. All right, more clues, guys. I did go ahead and Google this and also looked it up on eBay. Look at that shine. That's me upside down. Hi. All right. I gotta say, I'm very impressed with this. Again, $15 for this whole set and the box. It is comparatively very light. The brass tie set was a little heavier, but the shine can't be beat off of this. So in my research, I found out that this is silver plate, not sterling silver, but still pretty valuable, especially only spending $15. So I will probably try to sell the entire box as a set, but if that doesn't go, then I'll break it up, because maybe some people just want, a couple forks or a couple knives that they're missing from their collection. So yeah, great find for sure. I say great find fork, sure. That's what I meant. All right, how about this? Let's get into our mystery plastic bundle of joy here. I'm gonna have to put my camera down to get this thing open, because I have a feeling it's probably 75% packaging tape and 10% oh, what's the math? Anyways, it's going to be difficult to unravel here. So give me a second. Grab my scissors. Let's get cutting. Hard to do this one-handed. Okay. Okay, we got an opening. Okay, first off, got a nice spoon here. Nice detail. Okay, finally got it all opened. And let me show you this scan of all these pieces in this little tiny package. 39 pieces in all, including some serving pieces, which I love because those are commanding a little bit of a higher price. A little bit of tarnish on them, which is a good sign because of age and also of the silver plate. But yeah, let me show you closer the design here. I don't know if that's a monogram. If it says D, that's awesome, because that's perfect for Daphne Wren vintage. But check out the design. It's beautiful. It's a little bit just like scroll work and some floral details and raised. Yeah. Whoops. And here are our clues as to what this is. And let me see if that can focus. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry. Okay. So it says, if I can get this to focus, it says Tudor plate, Oneida community made. And I have not looked this up yet because I just opened it in front of you guys today. But I have a feeling it's going to be worth more than the $39 / 50% off that I bought these for. So basically I paid about 50 cents a piece. And of course, when you have a whole set or a collection, they're worth a little bit more than just one piece. So yeah, it's all of this Tudor plate, except I did find one rogue piece, this one, which is a slatted spoon, probably for dessert. It's a little smaller. And this one is, get that to focus for you. Okay, it says Custom Craft Stainless Taiwan. All right, so maybe not the most valuable piece in this set, but valuable to someone, I presume, at least more than 50 cents. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like my video and subscribe if you want to see more. But it's been an adventure trying to find all these treasures and looking them up. I'm investing in some research tools online that hopefully will get me to identify these items a lot faster, and then be able to list them on eBay quickly, so that if anyone's interested, they can, you know, pick it up. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.